In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can dash cancel in the Strongest Battlegrounds. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, dash canceling is super important, and it's a great movement technique used to reset animations, bait opponents, or quickly transition from defense into another attack. It's most commonly done by using a backdash, which normally causes your character to flip backwards. By canceling that animation early, you can immediately then follow up with an ability or an attack. And to do this, if you're on PC, hold S to move backwards and then press Q to dash. And as soon as your character begins the backdash animation, immediately press the ability key like 1, 2, 3, or 4, just like so. Get this trash can out of here. If you're on console, the process is the exact same idea. Move backwards, dash, and immediately activate one of those abilities to cancel that animation. When done correctly, it's going to look like you're retreating, but you'll suddenly flip the cancel switch and launch an attack instead. And obviously, this is a great bait technique, and it's perfect for aggressive players chasing into you. Now, like most advanced movement techniques, it is going to take a little bit of time to get used to, so just keep that in mind. But once you do get used to it, you'll be doing great. But that is how you can dash cancel here in the Strongest Battlegrounds. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.